Hi, my name is Mara,
My name is Angel.
My name is Julian.
and our video is based off the reaction types. So, to start things off, reaction types are chemical reactions that can be put into 5 categories. This relates when trying to balance equations, and it's important because it shows how reactants form products, help determine the reactions with given elements, helps chemists with the outcome of different substances, and also avoids accidents.
The first type of reactant is synthesis reactant, and this means this happens when two reactants combine together to form one product, and this is an example of synthesis. And Mg plus O2 forms into MgO, and that's an example of synthesis. The second reactant is decomposition, and this is an example. And this is an example of elements of H2O, and then it breaks apart H2 plus O2. And it means when one element breaks apart into pieces. The next reactant is single replacement, and this is when one element switches places with the part of the other compound. An example of this would be CuCl2 plus Zn forms into ZnCl2 plus Cu. The next reactant is double replacement, and this is when two elements switch places with two other elements or ions, and this involves the 4 elements. And this is an example of double replacement. AB plus CD goes into AC plus BD. And the last reactant is combustion, and this is when a hydrocarbon burns in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, and you have to have carbon dioxide and water to have this type of reactant, and this is an example of combustion.
Okay, so the steps to finding out a reactant is first you identify the reactants, which is on the left side of the equation, and then you locate them in the product, which is on the right side. And then you ask yourself questions like have they switched places, and if they did, it's a single or double replacement. Are they combined? And if they are, they're synthesis. Have they been broken down? And if it is, it's decomposition. And are the products H2O and CO2, which equals combustion. Okay, so an example problem is Mg plus 2 plus OH, Mg, which comes out to be MgOH2. Step 1 is that I realized that it was a problem like A plus B equals AB. And then I said the product then becomes combined. So that means it's synthesis because the reactants on the right combine together on the left to make a product. Another example problem is 2LBr plus BaCl2, which comes to be 2LiClBaBr2. And then step 1 was realizing that it was a problem like AB plus CD, which comes to be AC plus BD. And then step 2, I realized that two other elements switch places, and thus a double replacement because two elements from the reactants are switched to the product. And that's the end of our project.